In this video, I'll show you how to send money internationally with Wise. Step 1. Log into your Wise account. Visit wise.com and sign into your account. I will leave a link to wise.com in the description down below. Step 2. Start a new transfer. Click on Send Money or New Transfer on your dashboard. Step 3. Enter recipient details. Input the recipient's country, currency, and bank details or email address. Step 4. Enter transfer amount. Specify how much money you want to send and select the currency. This is very important. Step 5. Review fees and exchange rate. Check the transfer fee and exchange rate. Wise provides transparent costs upfront. Step 6. Fund the transfer. Choose your payment method, bank transfer, cards, etc., and complete the payment. Step 7. Confirm and track transfer. Review all details and confirm. You can track the transfer status online. And that's how you make an international transfer on Wise. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe or like the video. And if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments and I'll be happy to help you.